Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna. I started this project. It's a so huge project on A1 size sheet, and this gonna be my major challenging work till now, and this gonna be the best artwork till date. And trust me, it gonna take like 2 months or 1.5 month or more than 2 months. I don't have any idea because I'm just working on this like infinity details, and I named this project as Infinity, and there's gonna be an appropriate title for this project. uh yes, here you can see many twists. This is not a simple portrait. Yes, this is not just a simple portrait, and starting it will look like simple and beautiful, but working on it will be like challenging because I'm really hiding a surprise from you. This will tend to be like get to be like more challenging, and yeah, I'll just reveal after few days because I need to work on it, right? So that I can reveal it. I already started this project like before 12 or 13 days, if I'm not wrong, and working on each and every single detail and giving each and every pose, scar, pimple, like mark, like everything on the skin is the project aim. So this is like photorealism artwork, like complete face. So yeah, I'll reveal one thing is A1 size sheet and complete face, only face on A1. Imagine how big face you'll get on A1 size sheet. So there is no body to the reference image, and this is just a face, a big huge face with like big eyes, eyebrows, and so on. So this gonna be really fun and interesting too. So here when you work on like huge project, there is an added advantages. You can work on every minute details, and there is a free movement of hand, and you can really explore all the minute details, and you can learn like super good work on the A1. But working on small sheets is like you can work to get more realism on like A5 or A6. So when you apply that realism on A1, that will be really fun. So huge realistic artwork you're gonna see now, and uh, the process is really going super smooth. And in this video we are just looking into eyebrows and eyes. So my next video will be like photorealistic skin. So yeah, every portrait I'll deal and I'll research on like different skin textures. So like the previous sand face portrait only, so this portrait is also having different skin texture, and yeah, we are going to work like different techniques on this portrait. So if you want to learn all the different techniques and all the applicable techniques which are super realistic and which are super cool, so you gonna see this video completely and just invest in good pencils and good paper. Okay, so these two main things, and the paper quality should be good, and you need to work like more application. I mean, I'm talking about layers. So it should not be thin. You should have like minimum 200 to 300 gsm. So it is very good if you have 250 gsm. So now I'm working on 250 Bristol smooth paper. So this is ultra smooth paper, and this is super good quality paper. So if you have seen my like sand face portrait, that is also on Bristol paper only. and I really want to try this Strathmore bristle paper. So once I complete this papers, so I can buy the new set of papers, because the storing is really tough, and if I frame this artworks, then the paper will be safe, and that's why I'm just completing this papers. So you can see eyebrows are looking perfect. So what initial idea we need to talk about is, so you can see the starting of the eyebrows. So I'll always say this tip, and I'll always repeat this, because this is really super tip, and you need to definitely do in perfect direction only. So starting the eyebrow with the like long upward direction here, and then slowly it is tilting towards left. I'm talking about the left eyebrow itself. So when you're dealing with the left eyebrow, it is like slowly tilting towards left. When you're talking about the right eyebrow, it is slowly tilting towards right. So yeah, directions will be same for every eyebrow, and but like shapes will be different, but do follow the initial directions, and then you can build on shapes. So that doesn't matter, that is really easy. So when you follow the observation technique, and when you try to observe more and more and more features from your reference image, you gonna get like super realistic look on the artwork too. So people who are just seeing this video completely are really uh, lucky, because yeah, I'll say no artist on YouTube will really add like complete dubbing to the video. That means like complete tips and what you need to do and how you need to proceed. So this is an added advantage if you're seeing this video. So if you're gonna see more videos on my channel, so that is super good, and all are real time videos. Mostly I'll provide real time videos and shorts, that's it. So that is really benefited to you. So if you're really beginner, if you are the advanced one, or if you are the normal like middle level artist, every video will help you. So all kind of videos are there on my channel, so please check it out. And I just prefer using makeup brush of Babila brand and the soft tissue paper. So here, whenever you are producing this gradient look, it should merge properly with the light grades, so that it will look like same tones, and it will look like super good look. If you don't merge it properly, it will look like patchy effect, and you'll miss the essence of realism that is real truth. So yes, you need to work properly, and you need to mix and blend tones good, so that you will work on more realistic. Okay, so it may be challenging initially, but when you learn the new things, it will be good. And now once you apply the eyelashes, so this also observe the shapes and observe the direction, whether the eyelashes are going upwards or whether the eyelashes are just like this. So there are many eyelashes, so work properly on directions. Once you apply this using the any grade, you need to just blend, so that it will create like messy effect. And so starting of the eyelashes will be thick, and the ending of the eyelashes will be thin, so you should not miss that phenomena. And whatever grade I'm using on this artwork, I'm just showing to the screen, I mean camera, so that you can just observe it, and you can try using those grades to get the same look. So uh, now I can't add reference image because I don't want to reveal this artwork. Once I'm really revealing the surprise on this artwork, I'll definitely share the reference image. So stay connected and just encourage me and support me. I'll do make more videos. So this lifting technique when you are drawing the eyelashes will really help. So pressing against the paper and releasing slowly will create the light stroke at the end, and that will look like eyelash only. So this techniques you need to apply on your daily basis to get the um, chance to apply on the real good artworks. So first try, practice, explore and research, and you gonna do all the things, because this is not just an artwork, this is just building all the skills together and applying on a particular piece of paper and showing your all skills on one particular piece of paper. This is not easy as you think, because this doesn't come like in 1 to 2 days. It is like complete struggle. Day and night you need to suffer, day and night you need to practice, and everything is like challenging. So whatever work you do, it should be challenging. Then only you try to work more, and you will get motivation after doing the challenging artworks. So whenever you observe my artworks, you can see like different themes and different challenging works, and I don't do the same work all time. I just want to learn new things. That's why I explore all the new challenging works. So I spend like 3 to 4 days for searching one good reference image. So one good reference image is equal to, like, if you are really satisfied with reference image, you gonna create the beautiful artwork. So that is super good rule, and first satisfaction is important, and then only you can prove yourself. So try doing this all in your daily basis. So you don't try to imitate or copy from the other artist, because their level, and I'm not talking about the level or something, but their choice, their interest, their selection will be different from yours. You may not like something about their artwork. That's why stop copying or imitating from other artists. So try to pick your reference image according to your choice. Okay? So yes. So here I'm just skipping few process because that is really repetitive, and I don't want to show that process, because you will feel like bored. And shading means it is not like 1 to 2 minute process, it is like few hour process. So this video is just 19 minutes or like 20 minutes approx, but this took like more than like days. So many days I worked on this single eye and eyebrows, because as I already said, this is huge. So huge means huge shading, huge blending, huge realism. So everything is huge. So that's why I took many days on this like single eye and eyebrows. So if you understand my realism, I'm really happy about it. Okay. So next video will be on like skin texture. Stay tuned for it, because skin texture is really super good topic, and I'm just showing the different interesting realistic photorealistic skin texture. And this is like no one will teach this, because this is super secret tip, and I'm just revealing in my next video. So stay connected. I already recorded that video, so expect that video in 2 to 3 days approximately. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So this video will be going in this way. So slowly and slowly we are building all the details on the eyes. Every detail is important. So you just observe this and enjoy this process. I'll just add little track and I'll sign off for today. So if you are seeing this video for the first time on my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that you can find plenty more videos, like 200 plus videos on my channel. And I already completed like 1k subscribers. So yeah, I need to complete my watch time, that means watch hours. So please help me and support me watch full video, and I hope you will enjoy all the tips, so you can watch more real time videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy learning. Artist Bhavna signing off for today. Thanks for watching.